The Auditor-General has raised serious concerns about the vaccine rollout and says offering a jab to every Kiwi by the end of the year will be a huge challenge.
And yet again, New Zealand's first line of defence is at risk, with hundreds of border workers missing their tests. Amelia Wade reports.
4 months ago, the first Pfizer vaccine touched down, and we've just done our millionth jab. But the Auditor-General today warned that vaccinating the team of 5 million is a big ask.
Over the second half of the year, they need to do 7 million or over 7 million doses. That's a huge scale up and a really, really big challenge.
That means vaccinating about 75,000 people, the entire population of Rotorua, every single day for about 7 weeks. We're currently doing about 20,000.
I am confident that Kiwis will have the opportunity to have a vaccine by the end of the year.
The government spending watchdog was questioned today about its critical report on the rollout, and a month after publishing it, they still have concerns. If there's any hiccups on the rollout, like an outbreak scare in the capital, for example, there's no plan B.
Some key things that we'd expect to see is some idea of the sorts of things that could go wrong.
And one of the ways to prevent things going wrong is a watertight border, but yet again there are holes. Government data shows last month on average 400 border workers missed their tests. Officials say most of these were mix-ups with names or because of the Waikato DHB hack.
But we'd be down to a handful.
But even a handful is too many.
We've beefed up the team who are working on that.
It's just not good enough. This is our first line of defence and there are holes in the system.
The border worker testing registers made it easier to track who's missing tests, which is great, but it's also shown up the fact that they're not getting tested as much as they should and that the government's not moving fast enough to fix it. Amelia Wade, Newshub.